Welcome to this enlightening exploration of communication, uncertainty, and the fascinating dynamics of group interactions. In our previous discussion, we uncovered how cultural communication binds groups together by sharing ideas, values, and norms, essentially shaping our identity. But here's the twist: being part of a group doesn't come with a rule book. In a world of ever evolving cultural landscapes, we must communicate effectively and alleviate the uncertainty that swirls around us. To dive deeper into this concept, let's explore the uncertainty reduction theory as proposed by Berger and Calabrese. According to this theory, we all grapple with a persistent sense of uncertainty about the world and our role within it, and the cultural norms that govern our actions. So, how do we confront this uncertainty? Berger and Calabrese present three main communication strategies, and let's illustrate them with a relatable example. Imagine you're a student embarking on your first day of a new semester at university. You've got a packed schedule, and your first class is in the massive lecture hall. As you enter, you spot several empty seats, but you are unsure where to sit. The pressure to make the right choice is palpable. The first strategy, the passive approach, involves observation. You glance around to see where other students are settling. However, it's not clear what the norm is, as some students sit near the front while others choose the back rows. The passive strategy doesn't offer any definitive answers, leaving you still uncertain. Next, you decide to adopt an active strategy by engaging your peers. You turn to a fellow student and inquire about seating preferences. Unfortunately, your classmate is as new to this environment as you are, and they cannot provide any guidance. The active strategy hasn't brought you closer to a solution. This leads us to the third and final strategy, the interactive approach. You decide to approach the professor, who is setting up at the front of the lecture hall. You politely ask if there is a preferred seating arrangement or if it's entirely your choice. The professor kindly informs you that the seating is entirely flexible and you can choose where you feel most comfortable. In this scenario, the interactive strategy proves invaluable in reducing your uncertainty and guiding you towards the correct action. Berger and Calabrese's uncertainty reduction theory reminds us that communication is not just about connecting with others, it's a potent tool for navigating the intricate maze of cultural uncertainty. As we conclude today's exploration, remember that effective communication is your compass in the labyrinth of uncertainty. By actively engaging with others and seeking clarity when needed, you can confidently traverse the ever-changing landscape of cultural reality. Join us in our next session where we will delve deeper into the role of communication in our dynamic cultural journey. Until then, may your uncertainties be met with answers and your connections grow stronger with each interaction.